mayonnaise, really nice sharp pickles, put some tomato sauce in there and lots of cheddar. So what we're gonna make today is a triple smash burger. The first thing is you wanna start with a really good brisket or brisket chuck mince with about 30% fat. So we've got Wright's Meat Market that provided us with this brisket mince today. You want a patty that's between sort of 100 and 130 grams, depending on how big the bun is. And you're looking to get a really nice ball. Try not to have any cracks in it, because when you smash it, it will be an odd shape. Get yourself a really good spatula. So this is really important. If you're using something a lot smaller, you'll end up with a pile of mince. Second thing I'm using today is a smasher. I like the fact that I can make a bigger smash patty if I want to, if I'm using a larger bun. And what we're using today is a gourmet brioche bun, and I'm literally going to dip that bun in the butter bath. So we're gonna fry that on the plate, and that's gonna go golden brown, caramelize the butter, and it just adds another layer of flavor and a bit more texture on the bun. You've got the vinegariness of the ketchup, you've got the creaminess of the mayo, and you want something that cuts through that entirely. So we're using some maison Therese, which are a French pickle. Get yourself a really good cheese slice. So we're using the Dairy Works natural cheddar. Smash burgers are a really quick cook. So it pays to have everything ready, because you're going to be moving very quickly during this cook. So let's start. On the Masterbuilt 800 today, so that smash plate is running at 600. It's screaming hot. So you're looking for a relatively uniform size. And if you notice, I pushed the burger down and then I twisted it to get it off so that the meat doesn't come off with the smasher. So from here, I'm just going to use a very small amount of seasoning. So we're using rum and Q bull dust today. Cool, so it's been going for about a minute. Bit more seasoning, and now we're going to go in with our cheese that's already prepped. So burgers are almost ready, so we're just going to put these buns on there to get them caramelized. And that's smash burgers.